Characteristics of an effective affiliate marketer. To be a good marketer, you must possess specific characteristics that will assist you in consistently growing your firm. Many of the successful affiliates you see have used certain methods. As an affiliate, you may greatly develop your business, with the right techniques, hard effort, and success attributes. You may also ponder why certain people appear to naturally generate sales. Here are some characteristics of an effective affiliate marketer. In the world of affiliate marketing, consistency is everything. You may be a successful affiliate marketer if you have a growth attitude. Whatever level you're at in your affiliate marketing career, it's critical to constantly be eager to learn. Affiliate marketers that are constantly hungry for education will most likely advance in the profession. You can always learn something new by listening to other people's stories. In a market where so many individuals are vying for success, you must stand out. As much as individuals like to share their success techniques, you should never copy and paste someone else's approaches. Highly creative affiliate marketers understand how to engage with their audience via the use of innovative tools and high-quality content. Please share this video with your friends.